What is going on, people? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we are down here at this little bridge creek area, and we're going to be trying to fish and catch fish with microwavable popcorn. Now, this popcorn has actually been in my car for like a week because my daughter didn't eat it. Look at that cheesy goodness. So that's what we're going to be trying to fish with here at this creek. And I've fished here multiple times, and I don't believe I've caught a fish here yet. Now, it's a pretty crispy looking little creek. Now look at there. Crispy little creek on both sides. It runs under here and runs down all the way to the Rockcastle River. As far as I know, I don't know. Anyways, we're going to be fishing with the popcorn, trying to catch some fish. So stay with me, guys. Let's see if you can catch fish with popcorn. All right. Here we are over at the bridge. We got our popcorn, and we have our rod and reel, and we're going to rig her up. See what we can catch. We're just going to jam it on here like this. Just like that. And we're going to give it a whirl here. And it looks like the whirl was too hard because the popcorn came off. So we're going to have to figure out something a little bit tighter. Let's see what we can do here. I would imagine when this popcorn gets wet that it comes off pretty easy. So the chucking it off this bridge really don't do it too good. All right, I think that one stayed on. Yeah, that one stayed on it. Trying to keep it over close to these rocks. That'll be the best chance to get one. It's going underneath of us. You won't be able to see it much longer. Don't look like nothing's over here on this side. Let's take a gander over here. See if you can see anything over here. Not seeing nothing. We'll let her ease down here, and oh, there went my popcorn. All right, let's go get another piece. We'll have to figure out a way to get this on there without it coming off. Get a big jag on there, a huge piece. I don't think I'm fishing deep enough here. May have to go to a small creek. We switched up to a spinnerbait. Got a pretty good smallie on. That's a pretty good fish. Don't break my rod. Trying to get him up here. Woo! Now that is a good looking small jaw. That is not a bad fish at all. I just got this one smallie. So far. He's not bad looking. Yeah, he's not bad looking fish. Pretty good little fish. Yeah. I ain't gonna eat him. You want him?
That's too many to have a meal.
Hear it. Sure do.
You ever weighed this thing?
Nuh-uh. Nah, I normally just fish this bridge, which ain't too good, but probably the. Really? There you go, boys. I'd say. All right, guys, there we go. Sorry about the quick, abrupt show you the fish, then throw it over. Guy stopped here and was talking to me about this little creek. But what I caught that little smallmouth on was this little spinnerbait. It's yellow and green. It's got a it's got one willow blade and one Colorado blade. It's nothing fancy. I think it's the Walmart $1 spinnerbait or some junk like that. Nothing fancy. And caught that smallmouth. But like I was saying, we come down here to fish the popcorn, and that's just not working. We'll have to go down probably at the end of this video. We'll probably be down at Renfro Creek, and we might do a little bit better down there in that small, shallow creek to catch anything. But for right now, I'm going to throw this spinnerbait a little bit more and see if I can maybe hook into another small jaw. That would be my first smallmouth of the year, and was a pretty decent fish. Sure was. Get it, son. Oh, Willie in it. Alright, I'm pretty sure I caught the same smallmouth as I did earlier. May not be. We'll try to get it over here. Get it up. Hopefully it won't shake off, because I got the smallest bait known to man. Woo! Oh, that could have been bad. Good thing I caught it with my pole. Get over here, you. There you go. Another little brownie. And I don't know if it's the same one I caught earlier. Look at there, it just fell right out. Nice little small jaw. Number 2 here at the creek, but we fished a long time to get him, and he is fat, son. Bleeding a little bit on the nose where I hooked him. Nothing bad. He's going to be fine. Number 2 small jaw of the year. She's a good looking one. Get him back in the water. Now this is a pretty good drop, but the other one still kicking. I believe that's the same fish as I caught a while ago, but I'm not for sure. But we switched it up from the big old spinnerbait to the little birthday gift that I got from my sister-in-law. A little underspin, pink head, green body with this little bitty deal here. And I just about lost my rod and reel on that deal, because when it jerked and fell back into the abyss, it had it was still hooked. So my rod and reel just about went over this daggum thing. All right, here we are down at the Renfro Creek. We're getting our little rod and reel loose till the speed out. We're gonna get us a piece of popcorn right here. There she is. We'll start out with this little kernel here that fell apart. Oh, dropped it. See if we can pick her up here. All right. Don't want no grass in the situation. There's the little kernel. And we are going to get busy right here and see if we can catch us a toad on popcorn. Give her a little send out there. Not quite sure. It's been a minute since I've been here to this little creek. We got some bass in here because there's some shad wiggling around. Oh, we're getting a bite, boys. Probably just ate it off her. Yep. She ate it. Give it a little send out there like it right there. Oh, she's nibbling. They're nibbling. Surely my hook ain't too big. This is going to be really difficult to do. I may have to try to find a smaller hook. Wow, that was quick. Look at there. Ate it right off of there that quick. Either that or the popcorn's getting so soft that it's falling off the hook as soon as it hits in the water. All right, wrapping up here. We are done. What have we learned? Well, we have learned that it is possible to catch bluegill, panfish, creek fish with popcorn. The tricky situation is we're gonna have to learn how to get the popcorn to stay on. That last bit of popcorn done really well. It stayed on for a very, very long time. But guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. We caught a couple little smallmouth down at the other creek, which we didn't catch them on popcorn, but we still caught some fish nonetheless. The popcorn thing is not over. We're going to try it again. So guys, stay tuned for that video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, drop down there and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon right next to it for notifications for each time I upload a video. And I want to take this time to thank you guys for helping me reach over 500 subscribers. It's absolutely awesome. We love it. Guys, thanks for watching. We love each and every one of you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, and we will see you guys on the next one.